Ibrahim Traoré, the president of Burkina Faso, is a nightmare for corrupt African leaders. While they hop from one international summit to another, begging for loans and aid that disappear into their pockets, Traoré is proving that Africa does not need handouts. Africa needs bold leadership, fearless action, and a clear vision for self-reliance. Once again, he has humiliated the continent's sellouts. In a decisive move, President Traoré delivered a massive batch of agricultural equipment worth 13 billion FCFA to the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal and Fisheries Resources. This is not talk, this is action. The equipment, including bulldozers, graders, excavators, compactors, dump trucks and water tankers, is part of an ambitious plan to revolutionize Burkina Faso's agricultural sector and achieve food self-sufficiency. After witnessing this monumental step, I spent over 3 hours researching the deeper motivations behind Captain Traoré's agricultural revolution. What I uncovered is nothing short of groundbreaking, proof that this leader is operating on an entirely different level of strategic thinking. If you want to understand why Captain Traoré is investing billions in agriculture and how it is set to change the entire African landscape, like this video,